Hello everyone, this is Mehek from Crafty Minds. Today we are going to work on baby penguin. So let's get started. Here I have already made one sample piece, and for this I have used a plain piece of paper and watercolors, both for penguin and for background. So let's see what all materials do we need for this art project. We are going to use a plain piece of paper. I'm going to use Sharpie to draw. You can also use pencil. I'm going to use watercolors. You can use any color you want to, markers, crayons, pencil colors, whatever works best for you. Cup of water, and I'm using mason jar for that. And I'm using two sizes of flat brush, one is bigger and one is small. And we need a piece of cloth to wipe our brushes. So let's start. I'm gonna show you how to draw a penguin first. So we are going to make a big circle for face, like this. And then for eyes, we are going to make two oval like this. And then we are going to make a circle, like this is the oval, and inside that we're going to make one circle and then another one like this. Same on the other side, one circle, another circle in there. Now I'm gonna fill this circle so it's easy for you to see that. Yeah, see? And then we're gonna make two tiny circles like that on both eyes. And then we're gonna make three lines for eyelashes like this. Same over here. Then you are going to make V, and we are going to join these two lines with a curve like this, and then again we are going to make a tiny V inside. Now on here, on the top of his head, gonna make a slanting M like this. And then we are gonna make a curve like this, and then just stretch this line and join all the way down there. Same over here, we are going to make a curve like this, stretch this line all the way and join down there. Okay, so we are done with our face. Now we are going to work on our body. So for that we are going to make curve like this from this side. Same from other side, we're gonna make curve like this, and then we are going to join these two curves together. Now from here, going to make one curve going all the way down, and then go all the way up like this. Same from other side, going to make a curve going all the way down and then go up and join that. Then for our belly, we are going to make upside down U. Now we are going to work on our feet. So for that, make a diagonal line like this, a curve, another curve, but try to make this curve taller than the first one. Then again curve, and then join that. Same from here, make a diagonal line, curve, another curve taller than that, another curve, and then join that. So yeah, we are done with our penguin. So let's color in it. So I'm gonna start with the lightest shade, and as you can see, the lightest shade over here is white. So we're gonna use white color first, and I'm gonna use that face because penguin's face, it's white over here. And yeah, penguin's belly and face, it's white, and the back is black. So that's why penguin is black and white. So I'm done with my face. Now I'm gonna color belly. So yeah, we are done with our white color. Now I'm going to use yellow color for beak and for feet, and I'm using the same brush. Because that wider brush, I'm gonna use that for background, and this one, the smaller one, for the penguin. So here we go, I'm done with this, almost done with this. Yes. I'm gonna wash my brush and now use black color for face. Let's start from face. And yeah, make sure to go in same strokes in one direction. So over here my strokes are like curve, going in the direction of the lines. So it's curve, and all the way straight. See, and I'm just going to use black color over here. Nice. And if you think you want to use like a smaller brush than this one while working on your eyes, you can use a round brush, like a thin one, really, 0 number 1, and then use that. It's kind of gonna be easy to work with that. So yeah, I'm done with my eyes too now. Going to fill this. So see, I'm going in curve. My strokes are like this, curve. Just follow the lines and go in that direction, see? Like this. Now I'm gonna do the flippers. You know, penguins, they are birds. They have beak, feathers, but instead of wings, they have flippers, so they can swim. And penguins are really good swimmers. So I'm done with these two, almost done. Yeah, here we go. I'm done with my penguin. Now I'm going to do background. Just gonna wait here. So wash my brush And for background, I'm going to use this whiter brush. So in this one, I have just used blue color for background, but for this one, I'm just going to add a little bit of purple in there. So, oh my god, wait. So I'm going to start with my purple. I want my little bit of purplish shade in there. So I'm going to take purple and just I just want my background not too dark, little light. So that's why I have added a lot of water in there and less color, so that you can just see the shades and not a dark color. So see, over here I'm going in horizontal direction, so my all strokes are horizontal. See, I'm just taking purple color and then blue color, so it's kind of mixed together. See, purple and blue. Going to just blend them together over here, and then just take extra paint off. Again, spread that. That's it. I'm not going to add purple down there, so all the way down there I'm just gonna add blue color, not purple. So purple is mostly the sky. Just gonna fix this over here, this stroke. Okay, now I'm just going to use blue color down there. Yeah, I'm almost done with this. So here we go. So we are done with our background. That's it. So you can use any color for your background. You don't have to go with purple or blue. If you want, you can just make it blue or purple, red, yellow, whatever works best for you. And yeah, try to make this penguin and do share your pictures with me so that I can see how your penguin looks like. And we are done with the penguin. Hope you enjoyed working on baby penguin today. If you like the video, make sure to thumbs up and follow us on Facebook. Thank you.